Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the well-known Foot Locker. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. But Foot Locker is hiring a social media customer care specialist. This is full-time remote for the United States, so it's going to be non-phone because all of your customer service is going to be done through social media. Now, pay for this position is $15.75 an hour. It is a fully remote position, and they are looking for somebody who can work specifically the shift of Tuesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours, but this is going to require a Saturday weekend workday. But if you're okay with working on Saturdays, they are looking for somebody to create and maintain topic analysis filters and monitor their content related to their brands on social media. You also select and prioritize conversations for engagement with consistency of user and channel language. You'll support the corporate social media initiatives, ensuring timely monitoring and reporting of all social media channels conducted on a daily and weekly basis. You're going to service the BizRate and Amazon inquiries and other tasks assigned while utilizing all the resources made available. So if customers are asking questions on Amazon, you are going to answer them there. You'll complete data capture trends with various categories and tracking of information, and you'll identify any problems and opportunities for site improvement, site monitoring, customer feedback, and communicating with the appropriate personnel. Now, best thing about this is they don't require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who can work with a computer and multitask, somebody who can type at least 30 words per minute, who has a positive attitude and can be polite and professional. And of course, you have to understand different channels of social media. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.